here with you, and I'm super excited. I got a package from Beebeecraft. They asked me if I was interested in doing a collaboration with them, and I went to check their website, and oh my god, guys, oh, the beautiful things they have. It was so difficult to choose which products I wanted to share with you guys because I would have taken them all. So in the end, I did make a choice, and I tried to use things that I don't usually purchase because I want to force myself to be a bit out of my box, as I keep telling you guys. And there's certain things that I've been wanting to do for quite a long time. Their stuff is super well packaged, by the way. Check this out. I mean, there's no way anything is going to get damaged in here. It's, wow, very, very well packaged. So that's a great sign. So there's some things that I've been wanting to try but haven't tried yet. So let's put this away. And I thought this is the perfect opportunity to do so. So check this out. So one of the things that I've been really wanting to do, and everything is super packaged, like really, really packaged. Amazing. So I purchased myself a set of those little, what's it called? Punch set, and I've had that for a while. However, holding this thing, the little punch, and trying to do it properly on a metal plate, I was getting my fingers caught, and it was not a good thing. So when I saw this tool, I was like, wow, that's what I need. And actually, using that, now I will do some punching, which I wouldn't have done before because, like I said, I just hate, and keeping it straight is also very difficult. So I'm very much looking forward to using this tool and trying my hand at stamping. They have wonderful set of those punch. Unfortunately, it wasn't part of the budget, but I will be going for sure to get some other items because they have really, really good prices. It's just that I was given a certain amount to share with you guys, and so it wasn't part of what I chose. But one of the reasons too, which I haven't made tags and stuff, is because I didn't have the tags. And now, check that out. It comes in a cute little box. It's just so perfect. This is amazing. So this way you don't lose your items. So these are little metal plates, and it probably has a blue, yeah, you can see here it lifts. So it has a blue cover to protect it. And then you can stamp on it. So how amazing would it be to make my own little tags and sayings? So this is one of the projects that I really, really want to try and to do on camera with you guys. And we shall see how amazing this tool is at the same time as making some little tags. And hopefully we'll see that it's super easy. From what I saw, it seems to be really easy to use these, and because not all metal can be punched really easily. It really depends on the type of metal. So this one is perfect for this, and there's quite a few, so I'm really excited to try that out. I can't wait. I can't wait. I want to play right now. Okay, so let's check out the next one, which is also something I've been wanting to try for a very long time, and I haven't, and now I've got no reason not to. So I love, 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 love the look of wax seals. Like, I just love it. Just love it. It looked like it bent a bit in the okay. So you're supposed to put, yeah, it looks like it's tiny bit bent, but I think it's still gonna be perfect. So basically you put this little candle and it comes, everything comes with it, so that's just perfect for trying your hand at this and seeing if you like it. So it comes with a little candle that you put here, and then you've got all these little wax, which is just amazing, the selection, which also is just perfect, because, you know, I don't have a lot of wax, and this way I can really choose which color I want to use. So you've got that, and you've got two little candles, so that's perfect, and it looks exactly the size as the little candles that you can get at the dollar store, so you can replace it once these two have burned down. But this is perfect because this is going to be long lasting. And then you've got the little spoon to put it on your paper, and then finally you've got a little punch, and check this out, it's a beautiful little feather. So I can't wait, because I'm thinking that this is going to be such a great embellishment to put a little stamp. Ah, I just can't wait to play with this. So I'm hoping that you guys get excited about me trying these projects and sharing it with you guys. But go in the description box below and check out the beautiful products they've got. I was amazed. Like, they've got dyes, they've got everything. It's just, they've got a lot of beads. So if you like making things with beads, they've got lots of that. They've got amazing other little punch, little stamps type of thing like this. And by the way, guys, this is super heavy. So this is like really good quality. It's not cheap. Like, it's really gonna last for a long time. And yeah, really good quality of products, and so beautifully wrapped and everything. So definitely, I think you would be very impressed with their products. So I can't wait to share with you guys the projects I'm going to make. And don't forget, go and check them out. I'm sorry that I'm enabling you guys, but I think you're going to really enjoy. And like I said, I choose, when somebody approaches me, I check out what they have, and when I saw all the beautiful items that they had, I was in awe. So you really will love all their different selections, perfect for crafting. So that's it. Love you guys. Bye.